Welcome back to my channel, and today we're working on another LaColors makeup tutorial. Yes, another. This one is in their must-have eyeshadow palettes, and it's beauty. I did a concealer cut crease thing for the first time, and I'm loving it. We're using these new LaColors products also, and this is the best LaColors palette in my opinion that has come out in forever. I just love it. We're using the LaColors Eyeshadow Primer, and here's that beauty palette. It's just so full of warm goodness, and it's totally in right now. If you can find this one, and only this one, you'll probably be in love with it as well. It has mattes and shimmers, and it has this really nice two metallic shades in this palette, you guys. Yes, that beautiful gold and that red. Oh, so beautiful. So we're taking this orangey brown shade that I showed earlier, and we're going to apply that heavily in our crease area, completely building that up, and it's going to go up into where the brow bone highlight is going to be blent into. And we're going to blow out that lower lash line as well. Over exaggerated a bit, more than normal, and I love how this turned out. Now we're going to take the darker brown, making sure I have the right shade pointed on camera, and we're going to be using that in the crease. We're going to use this shade to line the crease, so to speak. This is going to be our peekaboo kind of color coming out of that crease line. It's a beautiful shade as well. These colors mesh so well together, blend out like butter, and it just has seamless blends, this entire palette. It was a dream to work with for $1. Here I'm using the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer, and I'm using this little tiny brush to just apply that in the areas that I want and cut that crease. This is such an easy, magical technique, you guys. You need to try it if you have not tried it yet. I don't know why I waited so long to try it, but it makes cutting that crease so easy. I used to do it with a pencil or eyeshadow. This is so much easier than that. So we're taking that beautiful metallic gold shadow, and this would be beautiful applied wet as well, but I'm just using it dry today, and I'm picking up that red to go alongside that. Now when we blend these two shades, it's going to make a beautiful orangey shade in the middle, and it just makes the colors appear seamless. I just am in love with this look. And I know that I say a lot of great things about LaColors, you guys, but I really do mean it. For $1, you can make these products work for you, and they look a lot higher end when you just work with them, play around with them, use secondary bases. There's so many little tricks you can do to get the best out of these cheaper products. And I am just overly pleased with this palette. Look at that, you guys. They apply so nice. Yeah, there's quite a bit of fallout on my cheek there, but I don't even care. No, these eyeshadows are beautiful. You guys need this palette in beauty. It's awesome. So we're working on that lower lash line again, and I'm going to be reapplying colors and adding the darker brown shade to the lower lash line as well. And we're taking that beautiful shimmery light champagne gold color, and we're going to apply that in the inner corner to bring some light there to open up the eye more. And we're also going to be applying it to the highest part of our eyebrow, and then we're going to be taking the must-have eyeshadow palette in Joy, using the creamy vanilla shade as our highlight. That is matte, so mixing those two just is a really nice combination. And of course we're going to blend all of those colors together. Blend, 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 blend. And these AOA Studio All About the Eyes makeup brushes with the pink handle, they're amazing. You guys need them. Head over to shopmissday.com to purchase your set today. And as always, wiping away that fallout using my Milani eyeliner. I've super sped this stuff up because we see it in every makeup tutorial. I'm using the LaColors WOWIE Lash Mascara. It says new, curved brush, new formula kind of thing. And this mascara, I applied 2 coats. After 2 coats, it looks great. 1 coat is more of like an everyday kind of look, and not bad for $1 either. We're also using the LaColors liquid lipstick in the mood, and I applied that beautiful gold there in the middle. And I saw this beautiful picture of this lady's makeup the other day, and she had a gold gem on her lip. And the lip was similar, the color of her lip was similar to this in the mood shade. And I don't know, I just drew inspiration from that and I ran with it. So that's the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have this palette, break it out, try this look. Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming content from me.